In this class, we are going to see how to draw a DC motor starter easily one by one. After that, we will see the working of each starter. In the examination, 50% of mark for diagram. Therefore, take a paper and draw the diagram according to my instruction. First, draw a V center of a paper. Then draw a arc shape of resistance between the top of V. After that, split it into 7 equal parts and number it. Further, draw a rectangular box on a left side of V line and name it as soft iron. Opposite of that, draw a electromagnet core made up of soft iron covered by a paper or varnish as shown in blackboard. Further, draw a handlebar over the left side of V. Bottom of left V, draw a spring in a shape of circle. Nearby a spring, we have draw another electromagnet core made up of soft iron covered by a paper or varnish as shown in blackboard is called as overload release coil. Down that, draw a soft iron piece. One end is connected to that spring. Further, draw a line, make a winding in overload release coil and connect left line of V. Erase the right side of V line as shown in blackboard. Further, connect the seventh terminal of the rheostat end to the no load release coil with the field and armature to negative terminal. Then draw two line in no load release coil to the soft iron downwards. 3-point starter. Only few changes in 2-point starter. We get 3-point starter. Top of handlebar, draw a brush. Near that brush, draw a arc. Name it as copper arc. Is connected by line to under voltage release coil with the field and rheostat to negative terminals. Erase the field in previous diagram nearby armature and draw a line in it. Then 4-point starter. In 4-point starter, only one change in 3-point starter. Erase the field rheostat and draw the line on that place and draw a separate line from copper arc and connected with rheostat to negative terminals. Why we need a starter? During starting time, back EMF is 0. Therefore, it takes 25 times of rated current. But armature winding resistance is low. Due to that, it will burn. At the same time, supply voltage is also reduced. It will affect the remaining equipments. So we need a starter. What is the function of starter? Like ampere, starter is used for start the motor, stop the motor, as well as safety to the motor. Let's 2-point starter working. 2-point starter is used to start a series motor. How come it works? First, by moving the handlebar right side, all the resistance are connected in series. Due to that, equivalent resistance increases. Starting current in the armature winding is also reduces. Motor is safe. Finally, resistance goes to 0. At that time, back EMF is also increases. We all know the starting of series motor with load because starting torque is so high. We have suppose overload takes place means overload release coil magnetic power is increases. At once the soft iron moves upwards. Now no load release coil gets short circuit. That means the potential difference across the no load release coil is goes to 0. That means starting of the winding also having 230 voltage means ending of the winding also get 230 voltage. Therefore potential difference in no load release coil is goes to 0. Automatically no load release coil magnetic power is goes to weak. Demagnetization takes place. At once the handlebar goes to the original position. Now the supply will not pass in field winding and as well as armature winding. Motor will stop. This is the safety of overload protection. 3-point starter working. During starting, handlebar move from left to right. The brush touch the copper arc. Due to that, field get energized by the supply, but armature current was reduced by resistance. Current is also reduced in the armature winding. Motor will rotate. Finally, the resistance is goes to 0. The full current will goes to the armature. At the time, back EMF is also increases. Under voltage release coil became magnet using the formula N into I. where the I is directly proportional to the supply voltage. Due to the under voltage release coil magnetized, the soft iron in the handlebar is attracted by that. The motor is run safely. Suppose the voltage is less means under voltage release coil magnetic power is goes to less. The spring power in the handlebar is move the handlebar to the original positions. Suppose overload current increases means overload release coil magnetic power is increases. Now the soft iron is moves upwards. Under voltage release coil goes to short circuit. That means yet starting of the winding also having 230 voltage, ending of that winding also having 230 voltage. What is the potential difference across that? That is zero voltage. Therefore under voltage coil is goes to demagnetized. The handlebar is goes to the original position due to the spring power. Now the supply will not goes to the field winding as well as armature winding. Motor is safe. But this starter have only one drawbacks. By wearing the field rheostat, automatically under voltage release coil magnetic power is also reduces. Due to that, the handlebar will goes to the original position. Therefore, this starter is not suited for speed controlling applications. 4-point starter is used for compound motor as well as shunt motor speed controlling applications. Working is very similar to 3-point starter, but only one change. The field rheostat is separate. By wearing the field rheostat, it will not affect the under voltage release coil. Thank you. If you like this channel, please subscribe and motivate us. Thank you.